Couples, what makes it difficult to resolve conflict in your relationship? Write your answers in the comment section. Resolving conflict in a healthy marriage is essential for maintaining a strong, lasting relationship. Disagreements are inevitable in any partnership, but the key lies in handling them constructively. Open communication is the cornerstone of conflict resolution. Couples should prioritize honest and respectful conversations where both partners feel heard and understood. Active listening, giving full attention without interrupting, helps build empathy and understanding. Another critical aspect is avoiding blame and focusing on the issue rather than personal attacks. Using I statements instead of you statements, such as "I feel hurt when" instead of "you always," can prevent defensiveness and keep the conversation productive. Compromise is also essential. In a healthy marriage, both partners should be willing to meet halfway, finding solutions that satisfy both. It's important to remember that resolving conflict is not about winning, but about finding common ground. Taking a break if emotions run too high can also be helpful. Stepping away temporarily allows both partners to cool down and revisit the issue with a clearer perspective. Ultimately, a healthy marriage thrives when conflicts are seen as opportunities for growth and deeper understanding, strengthening the emotional bond between partners. Thanks for watching, following, and subscribing.